Vice Foreign Minister, our Ambassador.
我们国合
Chairman of Surica.
外交部副部长
Vice Foreign Minister.
商务部的副部长
Vice Minister. Welcome, a warm welcome to you.
元帅这个帅字啊，在中国就是人长得很帅，
You know the very hard thank you.
也是很
计划发展部部长 very handsome.
欢迎
Welcome. 食品安全部部长
欢迎。
Welcome. 新闻部部长 新闻部部长 总理特别助理把他们提升。外交秘书驻华大使。
Pakistan have maintained close communication and coordination, safeguarded common interests, and injected positive energy to regional peace. This afternoon, President Xi Jinping will meet with Mr. Prime Minister, providing strategic guidance for further deepening bilateral relations. China is ready to work with Pakistan to pursue greater solidarity, carry forward traditional friendship, firmly support each other, and keep expanding practical cooperation to deliver more results in building a community with a shared future for the two countries. Mr. Prime Minister, I'm ready to discuss with you issues of mutual interest and have in-depth discussions. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister.
My dear brother and friend, Premier Li Qiang, honorable members of Chinese delegation and honorable members of Pakistan delegation. Excellency, thank you very much for your very warm invitation to visit China, and it is always a great pleasure to visit your great country. And each time when we come, we find new changes and major development taking place all over this wonderful country. At the outset, Excellency, I would like to express my deepest condolences to you and to the brotherly people of China on the tragic gas explosion at coal mine in Shanxi, where there was loss of life and people were injured. We express our full solidarity, and our thoughts and prayers are with victims and their families. Your Excellency, we are here at a critical moment of history. As you said rightly in your opening remarks, that we are celebrating 75 years of our glorious friendship and diplomatic relations established by our founding fathers. And they did a great job. They laid a strong foundation, a strong edifice between our two countries, and here we are trying to taking that legacy and moving in that direction of great journey towards promoting our relations. Your Excellency, while we are meeting today, the world is passing through a very critical moment. There is a crisis in the Gulf, and Pakistan has played a very sincere role to mediate between the United States and Iran. Field Marshal has just come back from Tehran, and he didn't want to miss this great visit, and he assured me that he will be joining me in this meeting, and he has been traveling throughout the night. And he has played a very important role back and forth with Iranian leadership and American leadership, along with Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar, with his counterparts, not only in Iran, but also in the Gulf countries. We hope and pray to Allah Almighty that peace will be restored forever. And lots of ground has already been covered. Things are moving the right direction. I'd like to thank President Xi Jinping and Chinese leadership for their great support to Pakistan to promote peace and achieve ceasefire. President Xi Jinping's 4-point agenda we fully endorse, and of course Deputy Premier Ishaq Dar's meeting with his counterpart, Foreign Minister of China Wang Yi. They announced 5-point support program for this ceasefire. Your Excellency, I think we have to really be together so that the world at large is at peace and business as usual starts again, because this crisis has hit not only the economy in the region, Pakistan, which is a net importer of oil and oil products, but the global community. Your Excellency, I would like to now stop here and like to hear your pearls of wisdom, your guidance, and then I will submit my considerations later on. Thank you.